let me turn the page and tease, and stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed. Hey, hello, and hi from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today, I've got an absolutely killer reference I'm going to recommend to all collectors of anything cast iron, especially the Hot Wheels people. The Hot Wheels Redline Guide by Clark as well as Wicker, 6877, so these are the red lines. Alright, so let us begin. Custom Barracuda, Charger, so forth. It's real nice. They go through colors, they go through reissues, they go through each date. They end up doing snakes and mongoose, which are amazing merch. Bibliography in their index is actually quite killer. So again, all rights are reserved by the author. I'm simply trying to say, hey, go buy the book, go spend money with these people. Here's an interesting concept. They call this a crumbler because the base has literally crumbled apart. They go through things like motting. That's modding or toning. And they talk about blister packs and so forth. Again, buy the book. Don't even consider what the next step is. Let's go through 68. Or let's go through colors. This is absolutely brilliant. Spectraflame colors. If you ever wondered what's blue, green, gold, red, pink, issues with identifying rose, orange, creamy pink, those make a big deal, make a big difference for collectors. And then 1968, Sweet 16, baby. Look at all these beautiful examples of red lines. And they give you the introduction. They show you how the original blister packs looked. And it's alphabetical. So like B for Beatnik. Orange, blue, gold, what the card looks like. They give you such useful, tedious details like the aqua is 35, mint is 90, yet this hot pink is speculative. It's off the chart, super expensive, and it tells you that the Hong Kong beatniks, again, pink is more desirable. And then you can jump over to Custom Barracuda and it gets the same treatment. It gives you nice details about interiors and percentage pops for interesting variations, like on this one. There's hood variations. And then please give me an olive Barracuda. All right, and we get into the 70s. We get into limes and golds and blues. I'm hyper impressed with this book. It's just so well done. This is edition number 2. Extremely well edited, extremely well vetted for good data. Ephemera, Spectraflames, and then we start to get into the enamels later. And they do each year with an absolutely gorgeous bit of overview. And then all the way up to 75, motorcycles, 76, 77, ooh la la, Mach 1, which we kind of joke is a speed racer, but we believe it is a almost but not quite licensed product, which they write about. And then towards the end, they get trucks, snakes, mongoose, snakes, mongoose, kits, and all kinds of beautiful spoilers. I hope you enjoyed the overview. My name's Ed, over at Antique Toys as well as Mars Auctions. Get us a display, please. Get us a Sweet 16 display. Get us 1969, 1970, so forth. Or just go ahead and get us some beautiful toys. And in the meantime, be sure to check out the collector book series with these ISBN numbers of a wonderful world reference of Hot Wheels. This is Hot Wheels, the Ultimate Guide. Email me, Ed, toys@AntiqueToys.com, and be sure to consider us for consignments of great toys, as well as beautiful collectibles. Cheers from Ed. Have a great day.